So here is how you can change the keyboard layout on the Android. So let me explain that. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So it heavily depends on which keyboard app you are actually using. So if I go to any text field and the keyboard pulls up, you can see that I'm currently using the Samsung keyboard, right? And I need to actually change the settings of the particular keyboard which I use, right? If I look up the apps which I have, there is also the Gboard keyboard which I also install. So you can see if I click on select the input methods, I'm currently using the Samsung keyboard, but I also have the Gboard English, Gboard in Spanish, I believe. Yeah, it's Spanish right there, and also the SwiftKey. And I can change the settings for each of those things, right? So I can go to my settings app right here, and if I look up the keyboard right there, you can see I can go to the Samsung keyboard and I can change the things which I have available in here. So whatever I can change, you can see I have the layout in here, and I can change the things, right, and decide if I allow the .com or if I enable the dot button, right, or some alternative characters, and if they are like the number keys right here above it, right? So I have the ability to change the layout right here, but as I say, this only applies to the Samsung keyboard. If I download a different one, as I mentioned, the Gboard from Google, you can see that in here I also have like different things to change, right? I have also the ability to edit some preferences, like I can decide if number row is going to be used, or if the emoji switch key is going to be there, and the font, and so on. So my point is that you can most definitely change the settings, including the layout settings, but you have to know which keyboard we are actually working with. So I hope that I was able to help you out and explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.